up? I am the math teacher Goat, and today in fourth grade math land, we're going to talk about equivalent fraction models. What is that? Oh, you'll find out. As always, like and subscribe, please. And you're going to want some scrap paper and pencil because I'm going to do a few problems. I'm going to have you pause the screen and you do a few problems, and then we'll check our work all together. That's how this thing works. Are you ready? Okay, good. If a pizza is cut into 8 slices and you ate 2 of them, 8. Apparently that's slang for doing a good job. But in this case, you're actually eating 2 slices of pizza. Let me just take this standard looking 8-slice pizza thing and just shade 2 slices of it. Now, you learned in the last video, and I know you watch all of my videos, that I would look at this and say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total slices. And if I'm going to eat 2 of them, when I shade 2 of them, I get 2 over 8. Well, looking at this picture over here, I can basically draw the same exact picture like that. I mean, that's the same exact area. It's the same exact stuff. It's the same amount of pizza. So can't I also call this 1 out of 4? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 total slices, and I'm eating one big version of them? Well, yes, you can. These 2 fractions mean the same thing. There are times where you have fractions with 2 different numbers, but they are going to equal the same thing. Now, if you're looking at this and saying, interesting, it looks like if I just take the blue fraction and multiply the blue fraction by 2, 1 times 2 is 2, and multiply the 4 by 2, 4 times 2 is 8, that kind of is nice. I mean, this is just 2 times that. Yes, it is. And in the next video, you're going to learn how to do that a whole lot more. But we're not there yet. We're not there yet. We're just making equivalent fractions. We're just having fun here. But what we're going to do is we're going to use these models to complete the equivalent fraction sentence. So it's the pieces that are colored in that we're going to care about. Now, 1 over 4, just like we just saw, is going to look the same as this. This is the same exact area. So if you're 1 out of 4, we could treat this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total slices, and 2 of them are colored in. So 2 out of 8 is the same as 1 over 4, just like we just saw. Okay? All right. Use the models, all right, same directions. Oh, but now we don't have denominators in each of them. So let's fill in the denominators for each of them. So let me see. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total spots, which means 10 is going to be my denominator. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 were colored in. So this guy is 5 out of 10. You have just 2 spots, and only 1 of you is colored in. So it's safe to say that 5 over 10 and 1 over 2 are equivalent, the same exact thing. And you may notice, 1 times 5 is 5, and 2 times 5 is 10. I wonder if multiplying these by 5 give you something that's the same thing. I don't know. Once again, you'll learn that in the next video. And the answer is, yes, that will happen. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I'm whispering. So you try. Do what we just did. Look at the model and fill everything in. Pause the screen. Do your thing. We'll come back. We'll check our work. All right, so use the models to complete the equivalent fraction, same exact thing. So this guy is going to be 1, 2, 3 whole blocks, and you're going to cover 1 of them. So 1 out of 3. That's going to be the same thing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 of them are covered in, so 2 out of 6. So 1 over 3 is 2 over 6. Interesting. If I multiply 1 by 2, I get 2. And if I multiply 2 by 3, I get 6. Interesting, interesting, interesting. I'm planting seeds in your brain. Planting seeds of knowledge into your brain. Now, we're going to use this model to complete the equivalent fraction. Oh no, there's no 2 pictures. That's all right. We'll be fine. Let's do this. Let's say that we have 10 slices, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're coloring in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 10. Now, I want to make this out of 5. So this is how I'm going to view this. I'm going to take this picture and I'm going to try to draw out what I have and write it into 5 slices. Maybe not the best idea ever because I'm not an artist at all, but if I cut you into 1, 2, 3, 4 slices, okay? 5 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and color in you, 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 you. This picture looks an awful lot like that picture, doesn't it? It's just this doesn't have as many slices. This only has 5 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are colored in. So 8 out of 10 and 4 out of 5 are the same thing. 4 times 2 is 8. Interesting. 5 times 2 is 10. Interesting. But that's the answer for that one. Tricky. Kind of tricky. We're going to do it again. Use this model to complete the equivalent fraction sentence. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them are colored in. Now I want to make this out of 3. So how can I turn this picture to be out of 3? Well, let's cut it like you, and let's cut it like you. Okay, and let's color in this whole top row, and let's color in that whole top row. So except for the slices, these guys look like the same exact picture, except for the slices. There's 1, 2, 3 blocks, and 1, 2 of them are colored in, 2 out of 3. And interesting, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. Interesting how when we multiply both of these by 4, we get those numbers. Interesting, 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 interesting. Planting seeds. Oh my God. Now we're just going to go straight into it. Huh. I have to make this out of 4. Well, how can I take a picture that looks like this and make it out of 4? I know. I'll draw this picture out. And what we can do is we can focus on the fact that, yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 rows, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So let's draw out our 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay, you're colored in, you're colored in, and you're colored in. There's 1, 2, 3 of you that are colored in. So 3 out of 4 of these are colored in. 3 out of 4 happens to be the same thing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of 12. 3 out of 4 is the same as 9 out of 12. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it? So you try it. Okay, do what we did. Okay, try to make your own picture and come up with your own numbers based off of what we did. Pause the screen, come back, we'll check your work. All right, use this model to complete the equivalent fraction sentence. All right, so we've got 4 out of. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 colored in, 4 out of 10. I need to make this 2 out of something. So how can I make this 2 out of something? Why don't I split this up into its columns? Because if I do it this way, then 2 of these are colored green. And so this is the same as 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. Interesting. Now let's take a look at this one. This one just wants you to jump right into 3. Something out of 3. So what out of 3 is colored in? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 slices here. So what I'm going to do is I notice one of these slices is not colored in. So I'll make you that slice. And then I'll cut you in half. And it looks like I don't have yellow, so I'll use purple. Purple is yellow now. So if I color you in, we now look the same. So it looks like this is 1, 2, 3 slices, which is what I want, and 1, 2 of them are colored in. So 2 out of 3 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 out of 12 is 2 over 3. Very interesting. Very interesting. And all of this is very interesting indeed. Now, hopefully you understood and were paying attention to the whole multiplication stuff I was talking about, because that's going to come into play in the next video. But for now, we're done with this one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell all your friends about me. Until next time, I love you. Bye.